So in 16.2, we're going to continue working with solving exponential equations. Now we're going to look at what happens when we can't rewrite our equation with the same base. So yesterday in 16.1, we were given equations similar to the one that we'll work with in example A. And we would try to rewrite our right side of the equation with a base of 3. So if we try to use that method first, we have to think 3 to what power is going to give us 32. Well, we know 3 cubed gives us 27. And we know 3 to the 4th power is going to give us 81. So there's really no number in between that's going to give us exactly 32. So rewriting 32 with a base of 3 isn't going to work in this example. So what we want to do instead is use our inverse property of logarithms, which says that if we apply a logarithm to an exponential expression, as long as the base is the same value, then we'll get back our x variable. Because we know that they're inverse operations, and inverse operations are going to cancel each other out. So what we want to do for this example to solve is we want to apply a log of base 3 to both sides of this equation. So now that we have log base 3 of 3 to the power of x, those are inverse operations. So we'll use that inverse property. We get back x. We have log base 3 of 32. So we want to evaluate this expression here because we want an actual value or number for x. If you remember from 15.2, we talked about a formula called change of base. And our change of base formula allows us to rewrite an expression so that we can evaluate it in our calculator. So our change of base formula said that if we had an expression like log base b of x, we could rewrite this as log x over log b, where now both of these have a base of 10. And we know that our calculators can compute a base of 10. So let's go ahead and rewrite log base 3 of 32 with that change of base formula. Now that we've written it with our change of base formula, we can plug this into our calculator and get our actual value here. So we'll take log of 32 and divide it by log 3. And you can see that we get 3.14 with a long line of decimals. We're going to round it to 3 decimal places. So we get that x is equal to 3.155.